This dance is called Mama's Pearls. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting off with some Charleston steps, right foot leading. So point the right forward, bring the feet back together, point the left back, bring the feet back together, and do that again. Point the left, right forward, feet together, point the left back, feet together. So it's 2 sets of Charleston steps. Now ideally with the Charleston, after the point you do bring the feet together, but you can move the one foot slightly back as long as the feet are still overlapping. So let's try that section once more. 7, 8, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close. From here, kick your right foot forward, kick the right to the side. Now we're going to do a sailor step. So cool because it's named after the sailors, after they've had a few tots of rum. So if you can just imagine you've had those few tots when you're doing this step. So you cross the right behind, step the left to the side and the right to the side. So that's your sailor step. It's the behind, side, side. So if you can imagine, as you're a sailor, slightly worse for wear. So that's your sailor step, with 2 kicks preceding it. So just have a little go at that. So kick the right forward, right to the side, behind, side, side, which is your sailor step. Repeat that with the left foot, 2 kicks and a sailor. So kick the left forward, kick the left to the side, behind, side, side, being your sailor step. So let's add that to the top bit with the Charlestons. Right foot leading. 7, 8, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, kick, kick, sailor. Cross rock now. So your right foot is going to cross over the left, rock forward onto it, rock your weight back onto that left, chassé to the side, half count steps, side, close, side. Cross rock the left over the right, so that's a rock, recover the weight back onto that right, chassé to the left, but this time put a quarter turn on the end, side, close, quarter turn left. Just do that last section, the cross rock and the chassés. So it's a 1 and 2 count for the chassés as opposed to 1, 2, 3. So cross rock, right over left, cross rock, chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Add that to the top. Charleston steps, right foot leading. 7, 8, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, kick, kick, sailor, cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn. From here, step your right foot forward, pivot yourself on your toes, half a turn to your left, the weight goes back onto that left foot. Shuffle forward. So we're going off on that right foot, similar time into the chassés, step, close, step, going forward, right, close, right. Repeat with the left, so you step the left forward, pivot yourself on your toes, half a turn to the right, weight ends back up on that right foot, shuffle forward on the left, left, close, left. End of dance, start again. So we'll just do that last little section again. So step, pivot to half, step forward on the right, pivot to half, turn left, shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot to half, turn right, shuffle forward on the left. Add that to the top. Charleston steps, right foot leading. 7, 8, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. And you're ready to start with your Charleston steps. So that's the dance. Let's have a go on the next 3 walls, and then we'll try it to some music. Charleston steps off on the right. 7, 8, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, kick, kick, sailor. Cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, kick, kick, sailor. Cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close, kick, kick, sailor, kick, kick, sailor. Cross, rock, chasse, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. And you start the dance all over again. So that's the dance. Hope you've managed that bit. Let's give it a go to some music.
Mama said, show respect for one another. Mama said, take pride in what you do. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. And always have a shine on your shoes. I remember all these things my mama told me. Was the picture of the life that she had led. All these little pearls of wisdom she had gathered in her life, and it passed to me with every word she said. Mama said, show respect for one another. Mama said, take pride in what you do. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today, and always have a shine on your shoes. Children of my own, I try to tell them all these little things my mama said to me, as the recipe of life between a husband and a wife makes a life of love forever happily. Mama said, show respect for one another. Mama said, take pride in what you do. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today, and always have a shine on your shoes. Always live this day as if it is your last, because heaven knows that one day you'll be right. Settle your indifferences before you go to bed. Never go to sleep before you say goodnight. Mama said, show respect for one another. Mama said, take pride in what you do. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today, and always have a shine on your shoes.